trip from the bank. Before today's video starts though, I gotta ask you guys a favor. I'm getting a lot more views on my videos and stuff. I really appreciate that. That's like huge. It's making me feel so good. I really appreciate every single one of you that's watching my videos. If you could just take the 2 seconds and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, it would, literally make a humongous difference on my channel. If you do that, I really appreciate it. Thank you guys very much for watching again, and I'll see you in the water. Because I like fishing that. It's fun. Creature bait and a Senko. And I brought a Whopper Plopper with me. Let's see what's going on here. They literally just filled the canal like last week. And it's my first time out on it, so I don't know what the fish are doing. They're setting up, if they're even, it might just be cruising all over the places. The water's got everything all stirred up weird. Let's find out. It's kind of chilly down here. It's been like really hot, and it had we had a really bad thunderstorm the last 2 days, so heavy rain Saturday night. So post frontal right now. Plus they just filled the water, so I don't know, I feel like if I catch a couple, it'll be a good day. I also only got like 3 hours, so we'll see what we could do in that amount of time. I'm gonna slip on my ass if I got on there, huh? Oh! No idea what the water temp is. Probably a little cooler. Alright, let's roll. I thought I felt something. I was like, I'm either on like a rock patch or something's machine gunning it. That's not what we're here for, but got our first fish. There we go. There's a good one. No, I mean, there's a better one. Was it a zombie? Color change, man. He's a double hooked, skin hooked, and through the side. Someone took a bite out of your back, bro. Thank you for biting. Is there a little school? Is that a male on bed? Who knows? Because it's the canal. And I think every fish in here is doing something different all the time. It's such a weird fishery. Every time you set the hook, you don't know what you're getting into, honestly. Just set up right there under that tree or what? Just little ones, but I'll take these. They're in the current too, so they're fighting just that little extra harder. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you.
home brought one of these black bandito bugs. I'm surprised it's even lasted 2 fish. These things shred like nothing. Might have to go back to the car and get more. So I'm thinking about it. Oh yeah. See, this is fun as hell. Each one gets bigger too. What's going on with that? Dude, come on. Jesus. They're so lean. Alright, I'm gonna have to lay you down a little bit, bud. Alright, chill out. Yeah, mean fish. Alright, that's a decent one. Hell yeah, dude. That's what's up. Thanks for playing. Alright. We get another one under this tree. This is unreal. Oh my god. Thought I just felt something pick it up again. They getting wise to it? Nope. Oh no, they did. I just got snagged. Oh, see? You just watched me drag through there 10 times and not get snagged. Oh. I got lucky. Oh, I got lucky. I bent my hook out a little bit, to be honest, but yeah, we're just fun fishing, so it doesn't really bother me too much. That one was swimming like a big one, but I could almost tell it wasn't big. Took it easy on the hook set on you, bud. Another one. 4 out of 1 spot. Just keep casting the same spot. It keeps working. It's wild. It's also wild how long this bandito bug has lasted for. From the other side. Ooh, something just popped out there. Ooh, almost sent it a little too far there, bud. Something had it. And that's the end of the bandito bug. I didn't catch that many fish that fast on one bait after a switch and not get a nibble or anything else. I have to go back to the van. I forgot my sunglasses anyways, but probably the same one I caught before. Not that the canal's not littered with these, but I think it's something about the softness of these baits. These baits are so soft that they shred. They literally just get shredded. That's their downfall, is you only catch like 1 or 2 fish on each one. But here now, not that rock bass are indications of what the fish in your fishery are doing, but I just cast it over there with other baits and didn't get hit, and then something just stole it. So it was swimming with it too. So 2 casts in a row. Okay. Is there something worthwhile over there biting my stuff, or is it just more rock bass? Oh, Jesus. No. No, don't even. I gotta get more of those. Alright, let that be the only stuff I lost. I mean, that line was shredded. I had no idea. I did not look at it before I went out today. Oh, Jesus. Maybe it's not set up here yet. It's about 30 minutes here. No bites. Oh no! That's weird. I wonder if it was hanging off of it a little bit, maybe. You can usually tell when the fish starts to get good up here because there'll be cranes everywhere. At the moment, or blue herons. At the moment, there is no blue herons. All right. Okay, let's give this thing a go. Unbelievable. It's unbelievable. The power of the wacky rig. First cast where I've been casting, I catch a decent bass. Come here, buddy. Right up. I know. First cast of this thing. Unbelievable. Thank you, dude. Let's get you back. Picked up like crazy. It's freaking glass when I got out here. They did a whole bunch of construction on this area, so I don't know what's changed, but there used to be a little, like a shell bed or a rock patch or something. I remember where I just casted that. Oh, there's a deer. Oh my God, and there's a goose attacking the deer. I hope you guys could see that. These rocks moves. I think it was that one. I think it must be the one that fell in. Come on. I knew there had to be at least one of that tree. I was hoping it was going to be a little bigger than this, but come here, dude. That's how the other one started out, though. Small flurry of tiny ones. They got bigger. Jesus, that was like ridiculous. Alright, next spot. Hey, babe. Yep, I'll leave you in a couple minutes. I'm like right near the car, so. Alright, love you. Bye. Nothing on the walk popper. Nothing on that little frog, but bandito, black and blue bandito in this color water. Something about it's hard to beat. Can't explain it. It seems to do the job for me, and I'm obviously not sponsored by anybody. I'd honestly rather support a smaller company, but you know, go with what works. Alright. No snags, let's go. He was just holding it. I was like, I might have had a soft snag on like a stick or something. He's just grabbed it and was sitting in the current with it. Thanks, bud. What? Oh God. I was like, what is this? I thought I either hooked a fish of a lifetime or a carp. Turns out I hooked a stick. And this is probably what they're all been sitting around. Alright. That's it with this. Couple casts with the worm, and then I gotta get out of here. Last cast, I gotta get out of here. Hopping through this little area again. I said the other one was last cast. Whatever, this will be my last cast. Alright. It was a good day. Ran out of time before I got the big one, but I think it was worth coming down still. Had a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Got a little bait tip for you. I'll get back to my garage. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. Alright, just got back. That was fun. I didn't catch anything big, but that was cool. Let me know down in the comments if you like the bank fishing stuff. I mean, I live close to that stuff. That's what I did for a long time before I bought the kayak. So I definitely got some spots around here, some ponds, etc. Yeah, if you like little quick videos with that kind of content, let me know. And like I said, if you like what you're seeing on the channel, I really appreciate you watching. And do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I know I don't ask you guys that often, so appreciate you watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya. Oh yeah. The tip for how to make baits last longer, I told you to stick around in the end for, right here. Alright, please excuse the mess, because I've had a tournament every weekend, and I literally just keep grabbing stuff and then throwing it in my car and leaving, and not organizing my gear at all, as you can clearly see. Not that I have to tell anyone I'm not sponsored, because I don't know, I'm not, but so I went through a whole bunch of bandito bugs today, okay? And if you could see right here, they get that rip in it, you know, every single time. Didn't use that one yet. That one didn't get used. All right, there we go. 3, and then a fish took a couple of them, but so we have Mend It. It's like 12, 13 bucks, like Dick's, or you can get online or whatever. Some of you are going to be like, duh. But literally, you just load it up in there, squeeze it together, do like a 10 count. Set it somewhere you don't care about in case it starts to stick to it. Now, I'm not joking. When these dry, which will not be long from now, the tips will be twice as strong as they were before. So when you get bandito bugs like this, yeah, it's missing one arm, but it's really not, you know, there's nothing wrong with it. Even where the hook goes through isn't really penetrated weird. Like, I can still get a good hook in there. And yeah, it's already dry. Already ready to go. Yeah, there you go. There's Mend It. That's the little trick. Like I said, some of you will be like, duh. But there's 3 more baits I do not have to buy. So